Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can access Chrome flags. So first let's understand what Chrome flags actually are. Chrome flags are hidden features in Google Chrome that allows us to enable, disable, or set default behavior for our Google Chrome. They are experimental features that are not intended for regular use. They can be used to activate features that are not available by default. Although they are primarily designed for developers and power users, but some flags can be helpful for everyday use. So, in this video, we will see how to access the Chrome flags. So first, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, once your Chrome is open, you need to go on the search address bar. Now, from here, you need to simply type Chrome, then // and then flags. Once you hit this particular address, just simply hit the enter key. And here we are. This is the flags. All of these are different settings which can be helpful, and we will cover them in our next videos. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.